the My Crown of Curls YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you guys how to do 3 masks that are perfect for acne prone skin. Now 2 of these masks I've done before and 1 of them I haven't done before, but I love researching to see what ingredients that are natural, that work great for your skin, and I came across this one, which was the Tumeric face mask. Now if you guys are anything like me, my face is fine and then bam, PMS the week before my period, and then I'm looking like Frankenstein's bride, and I absolutely hate that. So what I usually do when that time comes up is to go into deep face care mode so that I can get my face looking brand new again. So I decided, you know what, I'm doing it today anyway, might as well show you guys.
Now the first mask that we're going to do is a turmeric face mask. And for this mask, we're going to need 2 tablespoons of flour, 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, and 1 tablespoon of water that's going to give you that nice creamy texture. Now, turmeric, beyond the spectrum of benefits for physical and mental health, turmeric has an amazing effect on the skin as well. It hastens healing, it corrects oily skin, it provides sun damage protection, it has anti-aging properties, preventing against wrinkles and so on. It prevents against skin cancer, it treats acne, and it helps to heal old acne scars as well.
So I rinsed off the turmeric face mask and my face feels so smooth. Now for the next face mask, and it is a bentonite clay and charcoal face mask with apple cider vinegar.
Now, activated charcoal and bentonite clay draws bacteria, poisons, chemicals, dirt, and other microparticles from the surface of your skin. Now, this helps you to keep a flawless complexion and keep your skin acne free. Now, after 20 minutes to 30 minutes, your mask will have gotten hard, dry, and cracked like. Your face will feel tight. That's just the mask drawing out the impurities out of your skin, and it's at this point that you rinse your face off.
So face mask number 2 is done. Let me see how my skin is looking. Still feels so, my face feels so good guys. Now for the final face mask, which is aloe vera and tea tree oil.
All we're going to do is scrape out our aloe vera gel, add 5 drops of tea tree oil, and voila, mix it all together and we're done. Now, who doesn't know about aloe vera, that amazing plant? If you don't know, you are sleeping. Aloe vera tightens your skin, brightens your skin, prevents against acne, has anti-inflammatory properties just like tea tree oil, and them combined is the best thing that you could do for your skin. It actually heals your skin and gives you that youthful appearance and that youthful glow. Definitely incorporate aloe vera into your skincare regimen.
So it's all dry. Do you know you could actually leave this on? But I'm going to wash it off now. Be right back. So guys, I am back, and I don't know about you, but my face looks and feels so much better. Could you imagine if I did this every night for the next week? What would happen? Let me give you guys some close-ups of my face. My forehead. my face feels so good. So what I'm going to do now is to apply some of my frosted lavender buttercream to my face. This is about this much, just to moisturize my skin. Even I need to attach some side-by-side footage, because even under my eyes where there were dark circles, they're like gone. It's like gone. Wow. So guys, thank you so much for stopping by the MyCrownOfCurls YouTube channel. Let me know in the comment sections down below if you guys want me to do this every day this week, and then come back on Sunday and let you guys know, you know, what results I had, because my skin is looking hella good. My skin is looking so good. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. Please share this video with a friend. I mean, come on. And I know you guys aren't gonna leave this channel without subscribing, right? You got all of this knowledge and then you're just going to run away. So you see that big shiny red button that's down below? Just click it, turn it gray, and click the notification bell next to it. Thank you so much for stopping by the MyCrownOfCurls YouTube channel. I hope you enjoyed this skincare edition, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!